In this video clip, these guys are cold cutting a piece of pipe. If you see there, we've got the white pipe that's being held by a strap to the backhoe bucket. And there's some people working down in the ditch, and you can look and you can see they are turning basically a collar, which has got some cutting wheels on it. So what we're going to do, we're cold cutting it. We're not using a flame. We're not generating any kind of sparks, so we can get this white pipe with the elbow and the flanges on it cut out. Here's a close-up. You can see the collar, and they're using a lever to rotate that collar around. And then they have a nut that they fasten to tighten it up, just like a tubing cutter you might use for copper tubing in household plumbing. So they're turning it around and around. You can see the little wheels there just coming up that have got sharp blades on them, and now he's going to lubricate this wheel a little bit. They're almost through, so they're going to finish cutting or get it far enough that they'll be able to jerk it loose with the backhoe. They're taking the collar off now, as you can see, and very soon they will tell the backhoe operator to work this and lift the pipe out of there. Here you can see we backed up. You can see the guy on the left has a piece of rope, so he's using that to help control the pipe. Nobody's down in the ditch, obviously, because when this breaks loose, it's going to bounce around a little bit, most likely. So everybody's being careful, staying out, keeping a rope on, help control the pipe, and soon you can see it's just attached a bit there. Soon it's going to snap loose. There it goes. Bounces around a little bit in the ditch as they're doing that. Somebody makes an exclamation of pleasure, it sounds like. So they're going to take this out of the ditch now, raise it up with this backhoe. They're working in an existing station, so they need to be careful so none of these pipes get bumped, no conduit gets pulled. Very challenging to work in tight quarters like this. So they're lifting this piece of pipe out. When it gets out, they're going to tape up the ends and put plastic over top of it to keep any material from leaking out. So you can see there, they're working to tape it up and put plastic, and then they've got a blind flange on the end that's got the 90. So they're going to haul it off into some place where it will be either recycled or disposed of as junk. So they're directing the pipe with the rope, and soon we'll see the backhoe that's carrying that strap will be backing up and carrying this off to wherever it's going to be stored. So this is just an excerpt from some of the video we use in the Pipeline Knowledge and Development Training Series. And you can certainly go to the website, pipelineknowledge.com, and you can click on video clips and see more clips like this and use it as a training opportunity to learn more about the industry. So we're going to back up a little bit. You see the guy directing traffic, showing the backhoe where to go. So he's backing up, and he's going to carry this off to the bone pile.